Okay class, so number 1 asks us to differentiate f of x equals 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus x plus 71. Before we get going, let's remind ourselves, what is the power rule? So let's say we have f of x equals x to the power of n, where n is any real number. To differentiate that, we bring down that value, we're going to multiply it, and we're going to subtract that value by 1. So let's do these all one by one real quick. So we have 3x cubed, 7x squared, x, and 71. So let's start off with this. So we have 3x cubed. Let's bring down the 3 and subtract the 3 by 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 minus 1, 2. Now with 7x squared, let's bring down the 2, subtract the 2 by 1. We have 14x to the power of 1. Now let's take the derivative of x. Now some of you guys might get stumbled here because there's no physical exponent there, but there's an imaginary one. So x to the power of 1, bring down the 1, subtract by 1. We have x to the power of 0. And remember, let's be careful right here. Anything to the power of 0 will always be 1. So let's say 100 to the power of 0, it's going to be 1. 1000 to the power of 0, it's going to be 1. It looks harder than it really is. And now, to take the derivative of a constant, it's always going to be 0. Now let's bring everything that we just did all together. So we have 9x squared plus 14x plus 1 plus 0. I'm okay if you guys don't write the 0. So 9x squared plus 14x plus 1 is your solution.